It is a struggle to record by yourself. It is definitely a struggle. You're gonna have that good, you're gonna have this good, you're gonna have everything good. Can you guys see me? I hope you can. Hi everybody, welcome back to a new episode of GB Creations. I am Jackie, and in today's video you will be seeing the awesome thing ever. It hasn't been out yet, it hasn't been very popular yet, but you have to be the first to own this product. Alright you guys, so in today's video it's going to be a little bit different. I know I usually put out my summer collection and I really don't show my face. But today is a different day and a different video. So I have this other business I just opened. It's called Gastell's Fashion. I have other accessories on the side of the handcrafted stuff. The reason why I decided to open this business is because there is so many products and so much other jewelry that I can't make but will go perfect with the GB Creations jewelry, and I can assure you it's good quality. So today is something different though. It's not really jewelry, it's something you can use on your everyday thing. And it's going to be an awesome small Frappuccino portable charger. Yes, portable charger. So this Frappuccino comes in 3 different colors. It's pink, yellow, and green. And it's for your everyday basis. Like I said, it's not a jewelry piece. I just thought this was a really cool idea to sell. Another thing is there's reasons why I opened Gastell's Fashion, which there will be another video for that, and as well finishing up my summer collection because a lot of you people are like, where is it at? I am working on Rodeo collection. There's a small Mother's Day collection that I will be posting soon. I know I've been super busy, and I recently gave up one of my jobs just to focus more on my business because I want it to grow and I want you guys to have the jewelry you always want for your outfits. So today's video, like I said, it's a little bit different. If you are new, welcome to my channel. I am Jackie. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new, like I said, go ahead and subscribe down below, and make sure to put in icons so you can see more of my amazing videos. And yes, I will try to post more often, as much as I can. Right now I'm planning on posting Tuesdays and Thursdays. I know it's a Wednesday, but like I said, I've been so busy. I really want to get going with this. But anyways, let's start with this review and see how this goes. Alright, so I'm going to open the box. So let's see. Comes with a little cute Starbucks card, like just for elegance, and then it comes with this little charger because of course the portable charger needs to be charged. This is the inside of the box. You can see the little green straw. That's so cute. So this is the little Frappuccino. It has the little portable thing to put in your charger, and it has the little charger for the portable charger. This is very cute. It's actually pretty heavy. It's clean, no scratches. Just, it's amazing. It's honestly so cute. The thing is, does it work and does it charge? Guys, so I have my computer here, and I have the charger there, and I have the little Starbucks cup. I'm going to connect it to see if it actually charges. So let me take a look at this, plug it in. Oh, I'm struggling. Oh, yep. So I'm guessing when it flashes, it means it's actually charging your little frap. It's so cute. I can't believe this is a thing. So as you can see, it's beeping there. Well, not beeping, but like, you know, showing the light that it is actually charging. So it works. So let's try charging something now. Alright you guys, so I have the charger already connected to it since I couldn't find a right phone charger. And I found a phone. So this is actually my little brother's phone. It has, obviously it's not an iPhone and I have an iPhone. So I'm going to try it on this phone and see if it actually charges. So I'm gonna connect it right now since I have my hands, well, one of my hands busy and the other one I'm trying to connect this thing to. Let's see. Come on, where's it? Am I not plugging it right? Oh, there you go. So I connected it. So it is showing a color that it's the light that is actually charging, and it is actually charging. So I don't know if you can see, but it is actually charging, and I guess it flashes. So yes, it works. Was an excellent try. This does work, it does charge, and it is cute and affordable. I mean, who doesn't want a Starbucks Frappuccino charger? Like, seriously, who doesn't want one? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, if you like this video and you like to see more, hit the subscribe button below, comment and like. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys are interested in seeing more products. Yes, I will be posting more videos of Gastell's fashion items. That way you guys can keep up and see what you would like. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. And for those of you who are new, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, like I said, and I will see you later. Bye!